lights off.
Where is he?
Where is he? He's right there in the... I can't see!
Oh, now I can't see where he's flying.
No, he's right there.
Oh,
I'm afraid.
I told you they were making a nest in there.
Yes. Now how do we get the bird in the house?
no.
No, it's
Right,
still...
right there. Yeah. She's closing up the bathroom. She closed herself. Oh, okay, hold on. Stop. We're gonna draw it over here. Stop touching the lights.
Can't see.
Don't make it. It's got a longer thing here.
I know.
I know. Where is it?
What's on the door? Why are you...
Hey, where the light is.
It's right up there on the sign by the picture. It's just sitting there. You see it?
No.
Oh, it looks like an owl.
Oh, it's on
Oh
the
my goodness.
Amazing Grace? Open the door, hon. Open the door. Where's it at? Turn off those other lights.
Why is it? It's on the fridge. See it on the fridge.
Turn off those lights over there.
Why?
No, in the living room.
In the...
Why are those on? Don't turn them off.
Why are you turning the lights off?
So he flies where the light is.
lights.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna.
Okay. Shoo him out.
Alright, here he comes. Here he comes.
Woo!